We just found this electric dirt bike at our town dump, and today we're going to see if we can get it running for free. It looks like we got some power. Does not appear to be working.
Please don't explode.
All right, try not to die like right away. You guys excited? Yeah! All right, let's do this.
I was pretty shocked when I saw this sitting at the dump. It looks like it's in good shape besides being dirty. Both tires are flat, and there's no battery with it. So let's dig into it.
I've got my son and his friend here today helping us out. We're gonna pull this thing in the garage and see if we can figure out what's going on.
I'm hoping whoever threw it away did so because the batteries were dead, not because something more expensive failed. Before we invest too much time in this thing, let's at least make sure the tires will hold air.
So why don't you go ahead and do the front, you can go do the back. So pull the cap off the valve. Yep, so open that up. Nope, open it.
You closed it.
Stick it on the valve. And then close it so it locks on. Gotta hold it on there, close that. There you go. All right, now put some air in it.
How much do you think?
So it says on the side, you see here, it says inflate to 65 PSI. Okay, a little bit more, and then, all right, that's good. Now you want to pop that off real quick so it doesn't let any air out. So pop it and pull it. There you go. All right, so you go ahead and do yours. You can put your cap back on. Okay, that's good.
Good.
All right, now you want to pull that off real quick. So pull it back and then pull it off. There you go. All right, and then go ahead and put the cap on. So far so good. Seems like both tires are holding air. That's good. The next thing we need to test is the electrical system. As you can see, we have no battery. So we're gonna test it out with a drill battery, make sure it works, and then if that works, we'll figure out a better solution.
I have these drill battery adapters for our Power Wheels cars, and they work great for that. However, those cars run on 12 volts, and the 18 volt is an upgrade for them. This dirt bike runs on 24 volts, and I don't think 18 will run it that well, but it should at least tell us if it's going to work at all.
All right, so we're gonna connect the power to the drill battery. So I want you to put the adapter on the battery. Push till it clicks, there you go. Now you're gonna take the red wire, put it in the red wire slot, which is the orange one. Nope, that's the blue one. So you'll go in there and then push that little tab down. And then put the black one in the ground slot. So that's the blue one. You gotta pull this back up. Stick that in there. And then those are good. So now we can plug it in and test it out.
I cut the bike connector off the fairing, and that's what we spliced into our adapter. Now we can plug it into the bike and turn it on.
Okay, stick the battery in there somewhere. Okay, hit the on switch in there on the top. There you go. All right, now it looks like we got some power, low voltage, so don't turn it back yet. I'm gonna lift it up. You're gonna turn the throttle and see if the wheel moves. Does not appear to be working. So the good news is it's turning on, so it's getting power. It's not moving, it says low voltage. I think the problem is the Ryobi battery is 18 volts and this needs 24 volts. So I have two 12 volt batteries left over from our old Power Wheels that we were using these on. I'm gonna try and run those in series and see if that'll give us the 24 volts we need to actually make this thing go.
I cut the wires off the adapter so I could use that 30 amp inline fuse and the plug from the dirt bike that we already connected. Then I connected it to the original 12 volt battery harness. This will allow us to connect these batteries to the bike. And if you're thinking, those look like the wrong size connectors, they are, but that's what I have lying around, and we're trying to get this running without spending any money on it. It's probably fine, but if you're doing a similar project, maybe try doing it the right way. These batteries are bigger than the original batteries that came with the bike. I'm just going to stuff them in here and make sure it works, and then we'll figure out some sort of mounting solution. To wire them in series so we get 24 volts, I connect the ground wire to one battery and the positive wire to the other. Then I made a jumper wire to connect the remaining terminals, This should give us 24 volts and hopefully not catch on fire.
I think that works pretty good.
I got a giant zip tie to secure the batteries. That'll do.
My helpers decided to go take a little lunch break. While they were doing that, I got the two 12-volt batteries wired up in series. It seems like it's working. It says we've got 24-volt power. Actually says we've got full power, so that's pretty good. And when I twist the throttle, it goes. I think they're going to be excited, so I'm going to go grab them. Neither of these boys have actually ridden a dirt bike before. I have no idea how fast this thing goes. I assume because it's electric, it doesn't go that fast. We'll find out. Hopefully, you know what? I haven't checked the brakes. I should probably check the brakes, make sure we got brakes. Brakes work. I think we're good. So let's go get the boys and see how they like it. Hey guys, you ready to check this thing out?
Yeah.
All right, come see it. All right, you stand right there. You ready?
Yep.
Excited?
Yeah.
All right, throw your helmet on. Let's give it a shot. All right, so you know how this works?
Yep.
Throttle makes you go, brake makes you stop. Why don't we stay out here on the flat part first?
Okay.
Kickstand.
Oh my god. Yeah, we're just gonna stop.
And there he goes with all the confidence in the world,
Then we'll test
right
out
into the street.
Probably should have said not on the road first. I can't believe that makes it up our driveway. What do you think? Wants to see how fast it goes. All right, try not to die like right away.
He won't.
What do you think? Pretty cool?
Yeah.
And give it a try?
Yeah.
You think we need to build a dirt bike track in our backyard?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna have one.
Let him take a turn before it dies. Oh, brakes. All right, so you got brakes and throttle and all that stuff? It's so fast. How fast do you think it goes?
I don't know, like 25.
25? All right, you think we should build a dirt bike track in the backyard?
Yeah.
All right, how many likes do you think we need to do that?
Actually, like
2. All right, if this video gets 2 likes, then we'll build a dirt bike track in the backyard. All right, let's go charge those batteries. All right, we're gonna take one more ride because we gotta show Mom.
Ready?
All right, here we go, showing Mom.
Fast. When you're on that. Yeah.
I didn't have her mic'd up for this, but she's totally calm, not worried, and doesn't think it's too fast.
You pass.
It's a few days later, and we are still all smiles on this thing. And only a few skid marks. We started planning our track in the backyard. Made some sweet jumps. And got some sick GoPro footage. The boys are still having a blast on this thing. We definitely got our money's worth out of it, although now they won't stop bugging me for a gas-powered dirt bike.
I can't believe somebody just took this to the dump because it needed a new battery. This thing seems to work great. What do you guys think?
10 out of 10. Awesome.
Awesome, super fun.
Yeah.
Should we get better batteries?
Yeah.
Should we get a bigger controller, make it faster?
Yeah.
Should we build a dirt bike track in the backyard?
Yeah.
All right, the boys,
More dirt bikes?
we should definitely get more dirt bikes. I'm thinking maybe we get 50 cc's next.
Yes.
Gas dirt bikes?
Yeah.
Think that'd be fun? So the boys said if this video gets 2 likes, we'll build a dirt bike track in the back. I'd like to get a few more than that if possible.
We just want a dirt bike track, so that's why we choose 2. If we get 50,000, we'll take it out on the golf course.
Tell you what, if we get 50,000 likes, I will buy them 50cc dirt bikes. How about that?
Please help us. Please like to this. Please.
Maybe I should have tested
Depends
Mom
on our
first.
life. What?
All right, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for
I
watching.
want my dirt bikes. Dirt bike track.